Hey guys, so today I just have this super soft smoky eye for fall. I do want to touch on the fact that I know this isn't a Halloween look, but for me, 31 days of Halloween is really 31 days of like autumn, and really just I wanted to see if I could upload 31 days in a row. So I am gonna have at least 2 Halloween looks a week if I can, but yeah, just wanted to throw that out there. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then let's go. Alrighty, so I already moisturized my face and I'm using a new moisturizer, at least it's new to me. And this is the e.l.f. Super Hydrate, a moisturizer with hydrating squalene. I got this one because it says it's a lightweight gel moisturizer, and it really is. It's truly just like a jelly, but I really like it. It's very hydrating. So I'm using some stuff that's kind of new to me in a way. First, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in the shade Cool Pink Corrector, just to correct any darkness under my eyes. I find this very similar to the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So it looks a little silly right now, but that's because I don't have any concealer on top of it. Before I do my face, I'm just gonna go in with concealer on my eyes to prime. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade Nude Ivory, which is 110. I just got this concealer yesterday, so I haven't used it as primer yet, but I did use it under my eyes last night and I really enjoyed it. Okay, so I think that actually looks really good. I barely needed any product and it blended out pretty easily. So for eyeshadow today, I'm using my Chloe Morello Ciate palette. This is the Pretty Fun and Fearless palette volume 2. And first I'm going in with the shade, first I'm going to go in with the shade Topless, which is just like an off-white shade to set my lids. So I just wanted to mention in this video, because I'm sure someone's going to be annoying about it, but Hazel, stop. I'm doing 31 days of Halloween in my own way. I don't think every single video needs to be like a costume or Halloween related thing. That's not like my intention. I do want to do at least 2 Halloween related videos a week, but I really just wanted to get content out for 31 days. I don't know if I'll be able to fully do it. I didn't really pre-film anything, which was my bad because I certainly had the time before I started working at my new job, but I just mentally wasn't into it, so I know I wouldn't have liked any of the videos that I created then, you know? So yeah, this is just like a fall makeup tutorial. It's not a special effects Halloween one. So now I'm going in with the shade Cocoa, which is a nice orange. And just a super big fluffy brush. I want this to be a super smoked out eye. It's not going to be very dark, but it is going to be quite warm and blown out. So I'm putting this all through my crease and kind of pushing it out a little further on the outer corner. So this is just a little bit deeper than that first shade, and obviously a lot warmer. It's just like the perfect transition shade if you have a similar skin tone to me and are trying to get a warmer look going. I also got rid of the ends of my brows. I've just been trying a different shape lately. Not sure how I feel about it. Part of me is enjoying it, and then another part of me is not a fan. So we'll see if it fully grows on me. but for now, I just gotta deal with it because they're not there and I don't really have a choice now. Next up, I'm going in with the shade Mini, which is a more neutral shade of brown and a little bit deeper, and I'm going in with a smaller fluffy brush. This one is from Zoeva. It's their Luxe Crease. And this one is going in the same place but a little less blown out. Okay, and now I'm going in with the shade Maroon. I think that's what it is. This is a deep, very neutral brown. I'm going in with that same brush and just getting a tiny bit on the brush. This is what I'm going to pack over the lid next, but I do want it to softly blend into the crease first, just because I think it'll be a little bit easier later on. So very lightly building that up into the crease. Okay, with that same brush, I'm going back in with the shade Nini, or Nini. Okay, now I'm going in with Maroon on a flat brush, and I'm packing that on my lid. Going in with going in with that brush I used previously with no product added to soften. Okay, now I'm going in with that black shade called Beauty on a flat definer brush and buffing that into my lash line. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with my Makeup Geek liners. I'm using the black one in my tight line and the cream one called Nude in my waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my face. And I'm going to use some things I haven't used before, well, on this channel. Last night I tried it for the first time. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I have tried it before, but not in the correct shade. This is the shade 00BB Nude. So I did try it last night and it's like my perfect shade. I tried it only for like 4 hours though, so I'm not sure on how well it wears. And I'm just going in with this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It does have a fragrance to it, which is concerning to me because that might break me out. But we shall see. But it's just such a good match. Hazel, why are you crying? Okay, so I very quickly did powder and brows. So now I'm going to add some bronzer. For bronzer, I'm using Rosewood from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is a Zoeva Cheek Finish brush. Okay, and for highlight, I'm using my Ofra Illuminating Stripes. And I'm gonna kind of mix them all, pretty much. And this is a Morphe highlighting brush, E61. and for blush, I'm using this Makeup Geek Smitten blush. It's just a peach shade. There's not a lot of pink in it. I just think it's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going back to the eyes, and I'm going in with the shade Cocoa on a M514 brush from Morphe, just to add some warmth to the lower lash line. Now I'm going in with a smoky shader from Zoeva, and I'm going in very lightly with that maroon shade up against my lash line. Okay, and for lips, I'm going in with Lolita 2 lip liner from Kat Von D. Okay, and on top of that, I'm using my Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss from NYX.